Hi guys, it's me, plutopassionfruit. Blah 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 blah. Good morning, good peoples of the internet. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, plutopassionfruit, and I'm here with another video that y'all did not ask for. Welcome back to another video. It's gonna be real short and sweet. I'm about to do a mini haul of everything that I got today because I've been doing a lot of shopping. My friend's been doing more, but I'm in Atlanta. I went to Lenox Square, so I'm gonna just give a little recap of what I got. Plus, I got a little surprise, which is what inspired this video while I was shopping. So yeah, first of all, went to Starbucks and I had to get a re-up of this cup because I really like it. And we were putting some furniture in a car and my straw bent, and I was like, okay, if this cup does break, I want another one just in case. But I really like this cup, so I got a second one. Start with Bath and Body Works. Went to the BB Dub. I got this new scent that I've never had before. Moonlit Goddess. It smells very beautiful. It smells like home. It smells like a home scent. Alright. We got Moonlit Goddess, and then I got a re-up of Old Faithful Cactus Blossom. And it truly never disappoints. Truly never disappoints. So that was all that I got. I had to stop myself. From spending too much money. I would have got like 4. They went having a $13.95 candle sale. I would have got more. And then from Urban Outfitters, I found this. It's a, okay, this is like a piano phone stand clock. Oh, you can see it in the corner. So it's a piano, like, or no, it's like, sorry, it's a wireless charger clock. Don't care if the clock doesn't work. I just wanted it because it's peanuts and it's a wireless charger. So like, lady was like, oh, it's final sale. I'm like, okay, it could be whatever it's worth. It's $2.99. Plus, they were having a 40% off all sale items. So, on top of that, I ended up picking up a vinyl. I went and I was hoping like they would have good vinyls while I was there, at least in sale. But I got very lucky. I got very lucky. And we found Omar Apollo's God Said No. It was $24.99 and it went down to $14.99, I want to say, because it took like $10 off. So I ended up spending like $17 at the Urban Outfitters. I think I did really good. You know, whenever it comes to Urban, I'm trying to make sure it's a steal. I'm gonna open it with y'all real quick. Oh. Okay, it's double-sided. Omar is so beautiful. This is like, I don't know if this is my second or third vinyl from him, but I wanna say it's my third. I wanna say I'm a true believer. And does it come with a poster? No, but here's the vinyl sleeve. Oh wait, no, it does come with a poster. Okay. So here is the vinyl. Oh, that's a bird. And then on the back it's got some words. And then here's a poster. Ooh. Okay. Cute. I got an Omar poster. Here's the back. I like the back better. Do y'all like the front or the back better? I like the back better. This is mine. I like that one better. Alright, and that's everything I got from Urban. Now, I got Chanel. Thumbnail. So I went to Macy's because I was like, dang, my fragrance is running out. Hold on. So I got Bleu de Chanel. Chanel Blue. I got Chanel Blue back in October of last year. And I made it last. See, like, as you can see, like, I got that little corner. So I was like, it looks like it's time for a re-up, and I used this sparingly. I sort of used it, look, when I got it, I was like actually using it for real, but I used it sparingly for the most part. And I was like, oh, I do want to use it more often, and now I need more. But when I got it, it came with some samples, so I tried out the samples, and it was Allure Home Sport. I went to Macy's, the fragrance destination, and got more. I'm sorry, I'm smelling this because I completely forgot that she sprayed this ribbon with Chanel, more Chanel. It smells so good. It smells like, it smells so good. So she sprayed it with some more Chanel Blue, but she sprayed it with the perfume. This one's the EDP. I was debating either between the Parfum or the Ude or whichever Allure I wanted. But the Allure ended up being 162. Not mad at all. Not mad at all. And I picked that up immediately. I picked it up immediately. I ended up getting, I can't remember, I gotta get the like actual name of what it is. It's on by. Oh, I also got a sample of the new Chanel, like what's it called?
The
The Chanel L'Exclusive. So this is the Allure. This stuff smells so good. It smells so good. It's actually insane how good it smells. I ended up getting the Extreme. Because I was pretty much asking, okay, which one's gonna give me like the effect that I want, right? And it ended up being this. So this is what we got. I can't remember how this bottle looks. Like this bottle looks more like very sports car-esque. Would you say that? Yeah, this just like, it just gives sports car-esque. You know what I'm saying? It smells beautiful. I would spray it on me right now, but I've already got something else on. But I'm very excited to have a full bottle, and it's a 3.4 ounce, so I can take it anywhere. And then she said she gave me a little gift. She wasn't supposed to hand it out unless it was for a different purchase, but she liked my energy. She liked my vibe. So we're gonna do this. This is what I wanted to unbox because I was like, oh, it's a special gift. Watch it be some samples. Oh, whoa, that's not, that is, whoa.
What is it?
It's a little card holder. That's crazy. That's not what I was expecting at all. I said, watch it be some samples. Watch it be some samples. No.
Now when you go out, you don't have to put your phone, your wallet, and your card.
Oh, I have a Chanel blue card holder. This is insane. Nah, cause when she said, I'm gonna give you a little special gift cause you cool. Thank you. What? What the hell? As you can see, I'm satisfied. I got what I wanted. I got what I came for. Also, not a sponsor, but let me put you on, if I decide to edit this, let me put you on September 15th. Apparently Macy's is having a deal. So it's gonna be 20% off September 15th. If you wanna go grab you some Chanel, because apparently Chanel is affected. If you wanna grab you some Chanel, go and do that September 15th when it's 20% off. That's why I ended up getting this, because if she didn't tell me about that 20% off, I would have got just another one of these. But now I got both, and then I can get the parfum of this on September 15th for that 20% off. So I'm very excited. I am big ups to her. She didn't have to do that at all. Well, thank you. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Excuse my absence. I didn't mean it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video that y'all didn't ask for while I enjoy this buzz ball.